Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about crop production and management, 8th standard, first chapter. We know that there are a lot of people around the world, not just in the world and also in our country. All of these peoples require food. That we know. Yes, all of these peoples require food to eat. Now, when there are so many peoples and all of them require food to eat for their getting energy needs, what we will be getting from nature? No, all the things we will not be getting from the nature. What we have to do? We are endeavor to cultivate food. That means we will be growing food. We are ready to what make the food. From where this all making, that we are going to learn in this chapter. In this chapter, first part, we are going to learn about crops, classification of crops, agricultural practices. In agricultural practices, first step, preparation of soil also we will be learning in this part. Then we know that agriculture. What do you mean by agriculture? Agriculture is a cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing animals to provide food and other products. We will be making what we will be growing what different crops will be ready to grow what different crops and nurturing the animals to provide food. We'll be taking the from animals, we'll be taking meat, milk, all the items we'll be taking. These are the things we can say that is agriculture. What do you mean by agriculture? Agriculture is the cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing the animals to provide food and other products. Then, next one, what do you mean by crops? Plants grown by man or a large scale to obtain food. The pupils will be ready to grow what? Plants. Then in a large scale we will be making what? Plants to obtain food and clothing and other useful products. These are called what? Crops. What do you mean by crops? Plants grown by man on a large scale to obtain clothing and other useful products are called crops. Some examples of crops already it is there you can write out. Cereal crops are there, pulses are there, oil seeds are there, vegetables are there, fruits are there. These are the examples for the crops. Then here we are learning according to the seasonal wise how we are planting the seeds. According to that we are making two types of crops, that is kharif crops, second one rabi crops. We can see first one kharif crops. Kharif crops it is in the monsoon season. It is also called the monsoon crops. That means it is we are planting in June to September month. June to September month we will be planting kharif crops and harvested in the October. That's why they need more water. That's why we can say that it is a rainy season crops also we can say. Kharif crop is a monsoon crops. It will be what? It will be planting in June to September month and harvested in the October month. Some examples of kharif crops are the rice, cotton, maize, groundnut. These are the examples for kharif crops. Second one, rabi crops. Rabi crops we will be planting in a winter season. That means it also called winter crops. In October to March, we are planting rabi crops in the month of October to March. It will be harvested in the month of April. Wheat, pea, barley, grams are the examples of rabi crops. Next one, already we learned agriculture is what? According to the agriculture, we cannot get the things. It is having so many steps. In this agriculture field, it is having so many steps. In that, there are 7 steps we want to learn in this chapter. But today we are learning only first point, that is preparation of soil. In agricultural practices, there are seven practices are the preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage. We can learn one by one. First one, preparation of soil. In preparation of soil, we want to ready the soil. Simply we want to put the seed? No. We want to ready the soil. Okay. Then here the soil is prepared for sowing seed of crops by ploughing, harrowing, leveling and adding manure. We want to ready the soil. How we can ready for this planting the seeds? First one, we want to plough or tilling, ploughing or tilling. What do you mean by ploughing or tilling? It is a process of breaking, loosening and turning the soil over for uprooting weeds and aerating the soil. We will be make it as a ready. How? Through the ploughing. In ploughing, we are having so many items that we can learn next. Okay. There are four steps are the ploughing, harrowing, leveling and manuring. The next one, harrowing. It is a method to destroy germinating weeds. We want to destroy all the germinating weeds. Then leveling means big lumps will be there. In the soil, we can see that big lumps will be there. We want to break the big lumps by using wooden or iron plank. We will be taking wooden or iron plank and we will be breaking the big lumps of soil. That is called leveling. Then manuring means after leveling, the soil will be ready. We will be adding manure to the soil. Then only we can add the seed. Okay, there are four steps are the preparation of soil, ploughing, harrowing, leveling, manuring. The next one, what are the implements used for ploughing? There are three implements we can use. First one, you can see that picture, plough. It is a by pair of bullocks will be attached. What the plough will be attached in the bullock. That is, we can say that plough. Then hoe means it is used to remove weeds. We can use hoe by remove weeds and loosen the soil. Nowadays we can see that cultivator is using in agricultural field. These are the three implements used for the ploughing. Understood? Thank you all.